Hello, I'm Rob. Today I'm here at Swift HQ where we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2026 Sprite range. This year there are 4 distinct layouts to choose from. Today we're going to be focusing on the Alpine 4DB, a brand new family-friendly layout that offers smart versatility and plenty of storage. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the outside, the Sprite range is Swift's entry-level range, but there's nothing entry-level about the way it's built. All 4 layouts, including this brand new Alpine 4DB, are built using Swift's market-leading smart construction. Smart stands for strong, modern, aerodynamic, resilient and tested. It means every van is built with materials that are totally impervious to water. The front and rear panels, along with the side panels, hail-resistant roof and even the underside of the floor are all crafted right here at the factory using durable glass-reinforced plastic. It's tough, reliable and engineered to handle all weathers. Now, instead of traditional timber, the framework uses a high-performance material called Pure, that's polyurethane, which gives added strength, better insulation and long-term durability. It's all backed by a 10-year body show warranty, giving you real peace of mind when you're out touring. There's also a fresh new exterior graphics scheme for 2026, full GRP grey sidewalls, 14-inch edge alloy wheels and that signature front sweeping panel giving Sprite its unmistakable look. Inside the 4DB, the layout is truly family focused. At the rear, the dining area comfortably seats 2 adults and converts into bunk beds for the kids, a fantastic space saving feature. There's also a full-size wardrobe. One of my favourite features, it gives plenty of space for all your holiday gear. And with generous overhead lockers fitted with positive catchers, everything stays securely in place while you're on the move. Up front, the lounge offers plenty of space for the family during the day and converts into a double bed, perfect for a restful night. While the 4DB offers this flexible layout, the other models in the range feature fixed beds with exclusive duvet mattresses for that added luxury. The kitchen is equipped with a Thetford oven and grill, plus a 3-burner hob with electronic ignition, so meal prep is quick and easy. The fridge has plenty of space, including a freezer compartment, giving you plenty of room for fresh and frozen food. Moving around to the washroom, and again, you're getting loads of features you might not expect at this level. The shower's fitted with an Eco Camel Jetstorm head, which gives you a surprisingly powerful blast while still being water efficient. Good news if you're on a site with a limited supply. And the toilet, easy to use, easy to empty, and built to last. Storage is generous throughout. You've already seen the overhead lockers and the wardrobe, but the seat bases provide larger areas with full front access for bigger items too. The heating system in all Sprite models is dual fuel, powered by the Truma Combi boiler, allowing you to choose gas or electric heating depending on your needs. All lighting is energy efficient LEDs, including these ambient downlights and overlocker lights, creating a bright yet cosy atmosphere. The user-friendly control panel puts battery management, lighting and water pump controls right at your fingertips. To sum up, the 2026 Sprite Alpine 4DB offers a fantastic blend of family-friendly design, reliable build quality and thoughtful features. Whether you're after flexibility or fixed beds, the full Sprite range delivers comfort, convenience and peace of mind backed by Swift's renowned craftsmanship. For more information on the Sprite range, visit the Swift Group website or your local Swift dealer today.